Okay. Are you going to go down the slide, Nathaniel? Look at the slide.
Whoa.
Look at that slide Mom has. Ooh, that looks like fun. Better hold on to that. That might tip.
Pretty well planted in the corn. Come on. You gonna go down the slide? Mommy got corn in her pants.
Do what?
Your corn pants. You coming? Come see Sissy and Mommy. We gotta put the corn off, huh?
You may take your hat off. Come here, Granny, take your hat off. You don't need your hat on in here. Here. Well, we gotta get it. Gotta get it undone. There. Now then.
Now go down the slide.
Now you can go down the slide.
Sissy, go down.
Whee! Do it again, Sissy. Go down the slide. Whee! Go down the slide.
Whoa. Can you slide down the slide with the corn? Okay, push it down. You gonna dance? See? Is that fun?
Slide down the slide.
Here he comes, Sissy. Here he comes. He's gonna get us. Oh my! Here he comes.
Woo! Yay! Ooh, that's good.
Sissy's putting away.
What are you doing, Nathaniel?
Over at Mommy's leg. Where's Mommy's leg? Where'd it go?
No.
Sissy wants to play with the corn.